Hey everyone, Lisa here with Universal Flooring, and I have a few questions for you. Are you tired of looking at your old, outdated tile floor? Do you want new floors but are afraid of the removal expenses and mess? We at Universal Flooring have the perfect solution for you, and we are having a $300 off sale right now. Our epoxy flooring is a fast, custom, and beautiful solution compared to older traditional flooring. Our epoxy flooring offers easy maintenance, durability, and best of all, you will have a unique custom floor designed to your standards. You will be the envy of your friends, neighbors, and relatives. Our $300 off sale is only available to the first 15 customers, so click below to get your free quote and save $300 on your flooring masterpiece today.